Today I show my personal portfolio website that is I designed recently and built in famous CMS software in WordPress. This is my menu area and this is my hero area, text about area. This is about me section, one of my image, ambition, purpose and my experience. This is service section like website design, logo design, UX UI design. There is about for more info. Start a pop-up and here is details for that. In the other section my skill, and here I use some information about my experience and education. And this section for my education and where I'm completed BSc, diploma, SSC, JSC. The other section is portfolio. Here I share my sum of work and design. If I clicked show more option, I see another projects. This is my skill section, then what I know like Python, PHP, language, graphics design, and Photoshop software, UX UI design with Figma and so many other things. And the last section is contact section. Here phone number, location and I'm available on day. The last part I show here is my contact form. Contact with me through this website. This will get me a notification to contact with you. And if we see my hero section, here download my CV section. If I click it, and here is one a pop-up. And here is another button like play button. If I click it, you see YouTube channel. The right side you show Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Behance, the other social media you can join with. And this website are also responsive for other devices. If we show mobile devices, okay, fine, mobile devices are enabled. My page is mobile device responsive also. All sections are work very perfectly. If we show menu system, if you clicked here, and hover effect are so cool. If I clicked home button and it take me to home. Laptop device, you can see it worked also good. Okay, if I check tab device, my website open one tablet device, and here we look all are seems good, and all section are work properly. Okay, I hope you will like my personal portfolio website that's I made recently for myself. And if you want this type of website, I can design and made for you with WordPress Thank you.